Hello students, welcome to this session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is what is internet? In today's session we will understand about internet, the most important part of our lives nowadays. You are connected to your friends, family and relatives every time. You can share your any activity of day with them and see theirs too. It is because with the worldwide usage of Internet. Internet is a very important aspect of our life today. Let us understand what is Internet and what are the various things we can do with the help of Internet.
The Internet is an integral part of our everyday life. In simple terms, a network of the interlinked computer worldwide which is accessible to the general public. These interconnected computers work by transmitting data through IP or Internet protocol. Applications of Internet. The Internet is treated as one of the biggest inventions. It has a large number of uses. Communication, finding books and study materials, shopping, job searches, health and medicines, research. Services of Internet. Internet is very useful for everybody. It has lots of other adventures also. Internet allows us to communicate across the world. Internet allows us to sell and purchase various items. Internet allows us to share information at a very fast speed. Internet allows us to send or receive messages using emails. Internet allows us to download songs and movies on the computer. Internet provides us latest news and events. Internet helps us in doing different business transactions. Internet allows us to get information on different topics.
So students, we can do so many things on computer. We can communicate, we can sell and purchase, we can see, we can search, we can do a lot of things. Now, let us understand what are the requirements to stay connected in a network. What are the requirements for the internet connection? And what are they called as? What are the instruments they are? Let us understand how they are helpful to us.
Requirements for an internet connection. To connect to the internet, we need the following. Modem. Modem stands for modulator, demodulator, which allows you to connect and communicate with other computers through a telephone line. Computer is connected to a modem which is then connected to a telephone line. It converts digital signals into analog signals through a telephone and vice versa. Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider provides internet connection and charges a fee for using the internet. Some of the common ISPs in India are MTNL, Tikona, Airtel, BSNL, Sci-Fi Broadband, Tata Docomo. World Wide Web. World Wide Web WWW is one of the most popular service available on the internet. The WWW consists of pages that can be accessed using a web browser. The internet is the actual network of networks where all the information resides. Web page. A web page is just like a page of a book. It is a document created, stored in electronic form in a computer connected to the internet. Website. A website is a collection of web pages which provides information about an organization, person, business, etc. It is like a book which contains many pages. Web browser. A web browser is an application used to access and view websites. A browser lets us visit websites and do activities within them like login, view multimedia, link from one site to another, etc. The most commonly used web browsers are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape Navigator, Google Chrome. Electronic mail. Email stands for electronic mail, which is used for sending messages which other people and receiving messages from people through internet. It is a very fast way of sending and receiving messages. Advantages of email. Email is an inexpensive way of communication. Email messages do not get lost. Email allows us to send pictures, audios, video, files, etc. with our messages. Email reaches any part of the world within minutes.
Email can be sent to more than one person at the same time.
Memory recall. Internet is an integral part of our everyday life.
Internet allows us to sell and purchase various items.
Internet allows us to communicate across the world. A website is a collection of web pages which provide information about organization, person, etc. A web page is a document created and stored in an electronic form. A web browser is a program which lets us access the web pages. Email is used for sending and receiving messages through internet. A search engine searches the various web pages on the World Wide Web.
That's all, students, for today's session. I hope you are aware about so many things now, the things you are using, the name, the proper usage, etc. I hope it build up your confidence. That's all for today's session.